Hello everyone, welcome to Bioscience. So today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is photosynthesis. Okay, this is under the chapter Life Processes, which is the first chapter of class 10th biology. Now, what is photosynthesis and why are we studying this? We can't survive without oxygen, that everyone knows. So from where we are getting oxygen? You will be getting answer in this video. So stay tuned. Now, what is photosynthesis? As the name suggests, photo means light and synthesis means formation. I will explain you what is being formed here. Okay, so it's kind of formation, or you can say that if you're preparing some any food item, then you must need some raw material for that. Okay, a kitchen, of course, and a source of energy, that is your gas cylinder, is providing. The plants, which are called as autotrophs, have their own kitchen, and where it utilizes sunlight as an energy source to prepare their food. Okay, so now the reaction which is there in your NCERT is the carbon dioxide, water will give you glucose plus oxygen and the water. Now, this reaction is incomplete. I would request you to fill this reaction. Here, you must write sunlight, because without light it is not possible to perform photosynthesis. And the another factor is chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is a green color pigment and it has different types and different colors, but chlorophyll A is the most abundant chlorophyll. So as I told you, the raw material required for the photosynthesis is carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. From where a plant gets this? CO2 from atmosphere, of course, through the stomata. Then H2O from soil, and it will be transported with the help of xylem via the root hairs. So from soil, okay, and sunlight, of course, is a major source of the sunlight is the ultimate source of the light. So we get sunlight from the sun. Okay. So we can consider this factor as the external factors. External factors. External factors. Whereas the chlorophyll and the enzymes required for the photosynthesis process are already present inside the plant. So these are the internal factors. I hope you are understanding till now. Okay. So it is not as simple as it seems. So this photosynthesis is further classified into light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction, the name itself suggests light is a must. So it is called as light dependent reaction. Where will it occur? In the chloroplast. Of course, the photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast, but in which part of the chloroplast light gets in? This is a very important question you might get in your school examination. It's grana. What is grana? I hope you know. If you don't know, I will be explaining this in the next class. And dark reaction occurs in the stroma. Stroma. Okay. Now we are going to cover the different steps of light reaction. The first step of light reaction is trapping of light by the chlorophyll molecule. So the chlorophyll is a chemical which traps the sunlight and the electrons get excited. Now initially I told you that we get oxygen from the plant. So how this oxygen comes? As you can see, the second step is photolysis of water, where the water is being broken down into the hydrogen and it will give electron and oxygen. So here you can see that we are getting oxygen. This is a very important concept, that the oxygen comes in the photosynthesis from the water. Okay. Now the another the last step of the light reaction is synthesis of assimilatory power. What is this assimilatory power? It is ATP and NADPH2. So, like in your place, when the light goes, what do you do? So, for we keep backup plan like inverter or generator. So, similarly, as this is a light dependent reaction, plants synthesize ATP and keep it for further processes to happen. So the dark reaction, there is no light needed. Dark reaction can occur in the light but does not uses the light. So it is light independent reaction. Now the ultimate purpose is to fix this carbon dioxide into the glucose molecule, which is further a 3-step phenomena. One is carboxylation. The literal meaning of carboxylation is addition of carbon dioxide. And then another step is reduction, regeneration. So this sounds might complicated to you. We will be explaining this in the next class. For that, stay tuned, subscribe the channel.